Welcome to College Dunya. In this video, we will guide you through the MHTCET Counselling Process 2025 for engineering admissions in Maharashtra. The MHTCET Counselling 2025 is expected to begin in July. It's conducted through the centralized admission process, which is managed by the state CET cell. Admission is done in 3 main CAP rounds, followed by an institutional round if seat remain vacant. Eligibility criteria: to participate, candidates must qualify MHTCET 2025 or JEE Main. For the All India category, you should have passed class 12th with PCM or PCB. A minimum of 45% marks is required for general candidates and 40% for reserved candidates. Step-by-step counselling process. Firstly, the candidate is supposed to register online, upload documents and pay the fee. Then check the provisional and final merit list, fill and log their preferences, wait for the seat allotment and finally report to the allotted institute. Further participation depends upon the allotment status. How to fill the CAP form? To register, candidates should visit the official website, click on the new candidate registration link, enter their basic details, upload documents and pay the counselling fees. Also, don't forget to choose your category, region and status. Then take a printout of the form and the receipt. MHTCET merit list. MHTCET releases 2 merit lists, provisional and final. These are based on your exam scores, documents and cutoff. Your merit number decides your seat allotment priority, and it's published as state general, all India and category wise lists. MHTCET choice filling and mistakes. During the choice filling, candidates should log in using their application ID, select preferred college and log them. Common mistakes include selecting only top colleges, unrealistic preferences and forgetting to log their choices, which leads to automatically disqualification from that round. MHTCET CAP rounds. CAP round 1 is for the top ranked candidates. Round 2 allows reshuffling and upgradation. Round 3 is the last round with very few seats. After this, colleges conduct their own institutional round for leftover seats. Round-wise seat filling. Most top colleges close by round 1 with 70 to 75% of seats filled. Round 2 covers 15 to 20% and round 3 sees less than 10% seats filled. The institute round fills the remaining vacant seats, but no reshuffling is allowed here. Freeze, float and slide options. Post-allotment, candidate can freeze their seat to confirm admission, float if they are waiting for a better college and slide if they are seeking a better branch in the same college. Choose your option wisely based on your satisfaction level. MHTCET counselling fees. The non-refundable counselling fee is Rs 800 for general candidates and Rs 600 for the reserved candidates. For NRI or foreign national, the fee is Rs 5000 TFWS at 85 percentile. The full tuition fee waiver scheme is for the Maharashtra students with a family income below Rs 8 LPA. It covers full tuition fee for 5% seats. At 85 percentile, chances are less in top colleges like COEP or VJTI, but option exists in colleges like MIT or BVCOE. Top participating colleges. Top colleges include COEP Pune, VGTI Mumbai, SPIT, PICT and MIT. These institutes have closing percentile above 95 with COEP and VGTI needing 98.5% for most branches. Colleges at 30,000 rank. With a rank between 25,000 to 35,000, roughly 90 to 93 percentile, candidates can target institutes like MIT, VIIT Pune, GSPM or BVCOE for branches like CSE and IIT. MHTCET rank versus percentile versus college. A percentile of 99.8% gets you COEP or VGTI. With 98 to 99 percentile, candidate can get SPIT or PICT. For ranks around 15,000 to 25,000 or 95 to 97 percentile, colleges like PCCOE and AISSMS are suitable. Lower percentiles can get candidate to private tier 2 and tier 3 colleges. Thank you for watching. For further updates, candidates can visit collegedunia.com.